Sometimes I just pull out my workout clothes and I just stare at them for 30 minutes. Working out sucks. It just sucks because like everybody seems like they know what they're doing except for me. There's just like so many people there, all the bros, taking up all the machines, taking up the bench press. It sucks. I'm spending all this time there and then I'm sore and I gotta go back tomorrow. So if you checked out last week's video, I went back to the gym and there was somebody there at the gym that told me working out sucks. And I sat there and I thought about it. Of course, I just kept working on and I didn't really say anything to the guy, but it really stuck in my head because I've been that guy. I remember when I first started working out, I hated going to the gym. I hated just working out, period. You put in all this work, you feel sore, and nothing changed the next day. And you gotta keep going back with this vision that maybe one day I'm gonna look like The Rock. Then you keep going, and then maybe eat some bad food, and you're just like, what's the point? Why do I work out? It just sucks. Now I'm here to tell you that working out kind of goes in phases. And if you're consistent, you're gonna know these phases. So the first phase is where you're at right now. It sucks. Then the second phase is that it sucks less. Then you're there for maybe about a month and a half, and it's not that bad. That's the next stage. Then the stage after that is that, you know what? I kind of like it. I mean, I'm not going to admit it, but you know, I kind of like it. I feel a sense of there's some things that are changing. And then you're super consistent. I mean, you're about 6 months or more in. And then one day you can't go to the gym because there's something, a major event happened. You got to go to a wedding. You have to go out of town for some reason. And then it hits you. You kind of miss it. You feel a little bit lazy that you didn't go. And then if this happened to you, you've reached that final stage of like, I love it. I know it sounds impossible. I know it sounds like I hate working out. I'll never be to the point where I love it. I'm not like you. I was that person. And just to prove it to you that you can go from that stage of like, it sucks, and now you love it, I want all those people out there who are watching it, who understand what I'm talking about, who's been there and now you love it, leave a comment and put some support out there for those people who are watching this video who are in that phase where it sucks, okay? I need you to leave a comment so they can know that it can happen. Share your journey or just say like, hey, Dave's right. You can go from suck to love it. Now, if you're at the stage right now where it really, really sucks, I have good news for you. That's the best stage to be in. You know why? Because your body's gonna make the most changes in that suck phase. It isn't until you get to that love phase that there's like really small changes there. But if you're dealing with a lot of body fat or you don't have any muscle growth right now, this stage of it sucking is the best portion, okay? You're gonna see the most changes, you're gonna drop more body fat, you're gonna gain more muscle in this stage. So you wanna hang in there. I know it's sore. I know it's like hell getting out of bed after leg day and it's so sore and you're just wobbling like crazy.
Oh, buddy, you hit the legs today, huh? Oh my God. Oh, you doing that shaky, shaky. Shaky, 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 shaky.
I know after you really work out your biceps, it's hard to even pick up your cell phone. I'm telling you, we've been there. You're not unique to it. We've all been there and everyone has to start somewhere. So if you're in that stage where it sucks, I'm gonna tell you, do this, all right? I don't want you to focus on anything else as far as the right exercises, how many sets or reps. I just want you to be active for at least 30 minutes every day, 4 days a week. Just get your body used to working out, okay? Just start with that. Don't even worry about anything else. Just do that consistently for about 3 weeks, okay? Then once you've done that, I want you to move on to the next stage where all these exercises and stuff are going to matter. You're going to be trying to challenge yourself more and more. And I'm telling you, you love it, but it doesn't technically get easier. The challenge at first is just getting through the workout. Your next challenge is going to be, how do I make sure that I really put my body to the test with every single workout. I really challenge myself. That is going to be the part where you're going to evolve to. Now, if you're a person who's intimidated by the gym, I highly recommend doing home workouts. And that's where this channel comes into place. I have a bunch of home workouts that's going to show you how to get in shape, okay? You don't have to go to a gym. You can actually do this all from the comfort of your own home. That's why I created this channel, to show you that you can. Because I know going to the gym a lot of times sucks, but it doesn't have to suck at home. You don't have to worry about all these other barriers and just focus on yourself. Now, I've actually got through filming a whole arm workout using dumbbells. If you want to see that workout, just hit that like button. That lets me know that you're ready for that next stage, okay? All those people out there who are viewing, who really want to see a great arm workout, I'm talking about a muscle building workout. I got it ready to go, but if we can get this video to at least 200 likes, I'll upload that video right away. If you're a nerd like me and you go down a rabbit hole of YouTube and you're trying to find the best equipment to use to work out, if you want to know which is better, weights, bands, cables, pull-up bar, go ahead and check out this video next, because I show you which one is going to be the best to get started.